Back to the kitchen. My name is Clement. This is Travel Nest. What's up? And today we're gonna make a pizza using a fajita. It's really quick, really simple, and all you have to do is gather your ingredients and put it on the fajita and then pop it in the oven. So if you like what you see, you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I would appreciate it. It goes so far. Thank you so much. Help grow my channel. Okay, so today we're making pizzas with tortilla shells, fajita shells. Let's get started. You're gonna need a little olive oil, pizza sauce, and if you like pepperoni, a little butter, some cheese, and some more cheese. So you got mozzarella and you got Parmesan here. So you're gonna start with your fajita. So what I like to do first is take a little olive oil, take a little butter, pop that in the microwave. After I've melted the butter and the olive oil, I'll take my Italian seasoning. Stir this up a little bit, just to get it a little mixed. So then you wanna take a little bit of your pizza sauce, just a little. So now you got your pizza sauce. So you want to put a few pepperonis. Take a little bit of your cheese. Try to keep it on the pizza. Sprinkle it on there a little bit. If you like, you can go with a few more pepperoni. So this is one of the best things about making your own pizza. You can put as many toppings as you like on it and make it the way you like it. Now I got this pizza stone here. Just gonna slide it on there and let it cook. Got our little pizza in there cooking. There's our little pizza. There's one of them down. I just put a little bit more cheese on it. But yeah, you get the idea. Quick, easy, can't beat it. The only problem you may have with this pizza is not gonna last long. It's really good. Try it, you'll like it. So if you like what you see, you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I would appreciate it. It goes so far. Thank you so much. Help grow my channel.